My name is Andi Kasak. I am Managing Director of Saint-Gobain Glass Estonia. I have been working for Saint-Gobain actually more than 30 years now, and also these 30 years I have been working here in Elva. Being part of the local community is one of the key values, I think, for us, and we have been contributing to the local different cultural events, sport events, etc. And we have been demonstrating our care and commitment to the local community throughout those years. And just a few samples which I think is important to bring is we are now fully switched over to the green energy. That's to say 100% of our products are produced by using green energy. We are almost zero landfill-based plant. Okay, there is small 1% to go to reach 100% of recycling. We are now currently working with investment project to close the water loop. That's to say, to start using recycling water in our production, and therefore to save the energy and save also the water. So we will certainly continue to follow our roadmap in order to reach one day carbon neutrality. For me, Made in Europe has been always kind of like a level of standards. I remember from my childhood when father was talking about the European quality, Scandinavian quality, etc. It's something what probably has remained with me, and I take it like a promise. If you do something in Europe, if you deliver something from Europe, there is guarantee of the quality.